Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited that you're watching this. Now, if this is the first time you're watching me, I want to say welcome and thank you so much for dropping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for liking the video. All right, so don't forget to go ahead right now and subscribe. Make sure that you like this video and also make sure that you share. Yes, bust that sharing button. All right, let this video go viral. Now, today's video, I want to share with you one strategy that you can actually use to bring more money in your business and also to bring more sales in your business. That is what I will be sharing with you. Now, as business owners, I know that one thing that we'll struggle with is getting more sales, getting more people to buy what it is that we are selling. And we must understand that there are different people, all right? There are different people, there are different customer journey that we need to know in our business. Not all fingers are equal. I want to know, I believe that you actually know that is that phrase that, I don't know what they call it again. All right then. All right, so I believe that you understand that, right? Not all fingers are equal. So not all customers, all right, can afford your product at the same time. So you want to do something in your business that will afford the customer to buy from you whenever it is that they are opportune to buy from you. All right, and that is where this one strategy will come to play. And what is this one strategy? Hold up for it. Okay, now this one strategy is called the watermelon strategy. Have you heard about that? Okay, yes, the watermelon strategy. Now, don't forget to like this video, also subscribe, and also set the notification button so that you can always get video notifications whenever, I put up a video. I'm super excited for this strategy because this is something that has actually done so well for me, all right? It has done so well for me and it has done so well for my clients that has been able to implement this in their business. And I'm very sure that it will be doing same for you if you go ahead to implement in your business. So what do I mean by the watermelon strategy? Now, I want to believe that you have seen somebody that sells watermelon. Now, we have the whole of watermelon, right? Now, instead of you selling the whole of the watermelon, what you do is for you to slice that watermelon into pieces. Now, the whole of the watermelon could be, let's say, $1. Okay, if you're outside the country, if you're in Nigeria, then the whole of the watermelon could be 500 naira. Okay, but because you understand that not everybody can afford 500 naira immediately, you want to slice that watermelon into pieces. So you want to have watermelon for 100 naira. You want to have watermelon for 50 naira. You want to have watermelon for 500 naira. Do you understand? So anybody that cannot afford to buy watermelon for 500 naira, they can afford to buy watermelon for 50 naira. They can afford to buy watermelon for 100 naira. Do you get the strategy? So what is it about your business and your product? How can you apply this strategy right now? You have a product of 5,000 naira. Can you create something out of it for 1,000? Can you create something out of it for 2,000? Can you create something out of it for 300? So let's say you sell cakes, for instance. All right, you can decide to create a small cake for 1,000 naira. You could even decide to do a cupcake for 500 naira. All right. So what I want you to understand is to avail your customer the opportunity to come in contact with your product, to come in contact, to like your product, to like what it is that you're about. Because when you tell a customer that you don't have a product for 1,000 naira, they tend to go away. Right? And because you know that this customer is somebody that is interested in what it is that you are doing, you are losing that customer. Don't give a customer the opportunity, don't give yourself in a business the opportunity to lose a customer. All right? Always find a way in which you can create something that your customer can actually still get to have a taste of what it is that you do. No matter what your business is about, there is something that you can give out at a small price that will make your customer have a taste of your product, okay, and have them come back to buy the full bottle. So you sell perfume. If I cannot afford to buy a perfume of 5,000 naira, of 10,000 naira, why not put that perfume in a small bottle and price it for less than 5,000 naira? Let me enjoy the perfume. Let me feel the fragrance of the perfume for some days when I can buy, for 1,000 naira. And definitely, if I love that perfume, I would want to save money to come buy the full bottle. Do you understand? So this is how this works. So I want to believe that you are actually getting value from this. And I want to believe that you will go and implement in your business right now. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video. All right, and if you have any questions, share in the comments and I will do well to answer you. And if you want me to create any videos whatsoever, then share that in the comments also, so that I will also create such videos. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumb up and also subscribe and also share the video.